Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I'm going to share with you just a little bit of a haul. I picked up some things from Painted Polish. So I'm going to show you the 4 polishes that I got today. So I'm going to try them out on my nails and show you what they're like. I really enjoy all my communication and everything with this brand. They always do a great job packaging and getting you your order really fast, and yeah, it's been great. So I would definitely recommend them, and they also have beautiful polishes, so definitely check out Painted Polish by Lexi. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this box. So she added a cute little candy here this time, and she always adds like nice little stickers and everything like that. So I'm going to pull out her card first. So if you want to, sorry, I had that set there. If you want to find out where Painted Polish is, you can find them on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and that is her website right there at the bottom. So definitely check them out. If you want to know a little bit about their polish, they are 5 free, and they're all good stuff here. So there you go. And then she always includes a cute little card as well. It's always glittery. It says, "You're pretty darn awesome for supporting small businesses. Thank you." Of course. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, I already know, but you guys don't know. So, alright. So the first polish here, wow, look at that. That is beautiful. This one is called Fierce In Faucets. This is one of a set of a collection, but I just picked up this one. This looks gorgeous. Like, look at that. I think we're gonna try that. Oh no. Try that out. Now we're gonna try this out right away and see kind of what it's like. It is a gorgeous, like, jelly, cream or jelly polish. It's got some beautiful sparkles and flakes in it. Look at that! It's already a beautiful purple there. I think you're gonna need at least 2 coats of this one, which is to be expected. Alright, I'm going to finish the other coats off camera because I don't really like painting my nails on camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, so that is 3 coats. It is gorgeous. Like, look at that. It is stunning, this polish. I really, really like this one. It's just so pretty. So it is, has hot pink hollow micro glitters and multi-chrome flakies in a vivid violet base. So it is really gorgeous. Like, I really love that polish. Alright, let's get to the next one. This is Rose Gold Romantic. So this, I think, was her February launch polishes. So Rose Gold Romantic is a rose gold hollow now with an added glowing copper shimmer and silver holographic glitters. It's a re-imaging of their sold out carnivals and cotton candy. So I never saw that polish, but this one looks gorgeous. Look at that. So we're definitely going to try this one out too. It says that usually it'll be opaque on its own in 2 brushed coats. So I'm just reading from the website because I like to see what the description they actually say is. But this is looking really, really nice. This one's definitely easier to apply than the last one, but I kind of figure that because the other one has lots of different types of glitters in this. But this one is going on very nice, but that is to be expected with the previous one. Alright, again, I'm gonna paint this off camera. Alright, so that is 2 coats, and it definitely is opaque in 2 coats, so that is beautiful. Like, look at that hollow. I really like this one too. So far, we're doing really good. So that is Rose Gold Romantics. Alright, next one. This one is called Rainbow Renegade. This is one of her newer polishes. She launched, I think it was 4 different ones. So this one it features a rainbow color shifting flakies in a gray acrylic base. It says, actually it doesn't say, it has steel balls in it, but doesn't say how many coats to do, but we will see. This is one of the darker grays of the version. Look at that, it's got some rainbow glitters in there. We'll try it out. So this is again on the thinner side, but that's so that the flakies kind of show through. But I really liked the rainbow aspect of it, so that's kind of why I got it. I wasn't gonna order more polish, but then I was like, oh, there is things I want on the Painted Polish website, but I usually wait for like a couple because of shipping and stuff like that to Canada. Alright, so that is 2 coats of a Rainbow Renegade. I think 2 coats is pretty good. It looks pretty opaque, so there is that one. Alright, on to the next polish here once I get it out of the package. So this is the next one here. This one is called Rainbow Recruit. This one features a rainbow of color shifting flakies in a white crelly base. It also contains the mixing balls like always, and this one also doesn't say how many coats will be opaque either, but we are definitely going to try it out and see what it looks like. Alright, so that is 2 coats of a Rainbow Recruit. I think this one worked out pretty well. I absolutely love the rainbow glitters. This one I think they showed up more because of the lighter base, but gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So this is the last polish that I bought from Painted Polish this time, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I would definitely recommend them. I will leave their link down below in the description box. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.